Okay, students, today we are working on continuing our Code a Hero project. So we're going to go to the second one, the one that says Hero Project. And we are going back to our CS First link. And we're going to continue our work. So you should see two boxes. One of your boxes will say continue working, and I think the other one says continue watching. So the one will have the work that you did last week, and the other will have a video of a flying grandma. So both of those are helpful to you. So I'm going to click on my work. All right, so you can see that for my work, I had modified the character. I have not finished the script, which was due last week. So I'm going to finish up my script and adjust my timings. And then today's assignment is the flyover buildings and the add background music. So when you are ready for those, you'll go to the previous tab and you want to scroll down to the flyover buildings. The video will explain to you exactly how to code it, but there's a little tweak. So I would watch the video so you understand how the codes work. And at the very end, let's see, there it is. It shows you what the code should be. So this is a good place to pause and copy it. Then when you play yours, you will notice that the buildings don't quite make it to the end. In order for them to make it all the way to the end, you are going to have to tweak either one of these numbers. Either 80 is going to need to be a little bit bigger, or the change x by -5, that could be a tiny bit bigger, like maybe -6 or -7. One of these numbers is going to have to change. So if you watch the whole video so you understand how each block is working, you'll be able to figure out how to tweak this code so that your buildings make it all the way to the end. You want it to be a nice fluid motion. You don't want them stuck at the end for a long time, and you don't want them to disappear before they make it to the end. You want it to look smooth. After you are done with flying over the buildings, then you're going to work on the add background music. That's a really simple one, so just make sure you code it the way it says in there. You can do a set number of repeats or a repeat forever. That's completely up to you. I've even had some people put 2 songs, so it goes back and forth between them, and that's fine. If you finish early, you can start working on the add-ons. The ones we can do are Move Your Hero, Super Spin, and Keep Score. That's what turns it into a game. We're not going to add the supporting hero or draw your own because we've kind of already modified ours. But the other ones are fine, and you can even add some of your own code that's not in the videos if you get really inspired and want to play with the Scratch tools. So good luck on completing your flyover buildings and add background music. Let me know what questions you have.